Hello YouTube family and welcome back to my channel for another unboxing, review and test. Today I have this jigsaw from Parkside, the model PSTD 800E4. Faster sewing process thanks to the 3 selectable pendulum stroke options. Swiss made, includes a high quality wood saw blade, power consumption 800 watts, no load stroke rate from 0 to 3800 SPM, stroke length 22 mm, cutting depth max 80 mm in wood and 8 mm in metal. Accessories included with a 3 years warranty. So let's open the box to find out more about this product and how we can use it. Included, of course, we have the manual. If you want to read this, your choice, but stay with me to find out all about this product. One envelope. Oh, it was inside the saw blade. Parkside Speed Wood. HCS. The parallel guide from 0 to 15 cm, the measurement, and the tool with the 3 meters of cable. We have one hex key. You can have this here. And here we have this nozzle. You can connect your vacuum. One reducer piece. Press this button and you can remove that if you want to clean it, or don't use it, it is your choice. We have soft elements around, soft grip, the lock button, the on-off switch. Press the lock button and it will work continuously. Press once and unlock. Both sides, left and right. I like it. It feels a robust power tool. Here we have the rotary wheel for the speed adjustment. From 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, it is the maximum. At the front, the button LED work light. So let's plug it in. Pressing once, we can see the LED light. Now it is better. And off. And here we have the switch for the dust blower function, on or off. The pendulum stroke switch, off, 1, 2, 3. I will test that later. Here we have the plastic cover, you can remove that at the base. This transparent plastic with a red arrow at the front, you know where is the middle, and here at this plastic, the same in here, this gap at the metal, and of course you can install the guide rail. If you want to use the guide rail, adjust it from 0 to 15 cm and you can install it at the left or at the right. It is your choice. And with the Allen key you can loosen these 2 screws to adjust the pivot cutting. Back, and we have 0, 15, 30 and 45 degrees. So you can adjust that, back, adjust, slide front and it will lock. You can do that left and right. Very easy. And then use again the Allen key, tighten the screws Perfect. And to install the blade, you can use the release chuck switch, remove the guard, that is very convenient, very helpful. Take the blade, install that inside, and it locks. And at the front we have the guide roller for the blade. And after that install the guard. And starting with the first speed. So let's move on and test it, see how it performs. You can use the plastic, perfect. If you want, you can remove this transparent. The speed control allows you to adjust the cutting speed based on the material you are working with. This flexibility ensures better control and cleaner cuts, as different materials require different cutting speeds. The 4-stage pendulum action enables faster and more aggressive cutting. You can adjust the pendulum setting to suit different materials or cutting tasks. A higher pendulum action results in faster, rougher cuts, while a lower setting is more suited for finer, more precise cuts. The powerful 800 watt motor provides robust performance for various cutting tasks. This power level ensures smooth and efficient cuts, even through thicker materials like hardwood or metal. The Parkside Jigsaw is a powerful and versatile tool ideal for making precise cuts in various materials such as wood, plastic and metal. This jigsaw is well suited for both DIY enthusiasts and professionals, offering a range of features that allow for precise control and adaptability in different cutting tasks. If you found this review helpful, be sure to hit the like button and don't forget to subscribe for more tool reviews, DIY tips and project ideas. Thanks for watching and I'll see you in the next video.